Good afternoon. Today we had undertaken a meeting in respect of Valwanti River. Police personnel, members from local municipal council, village panchayat were invited for the meeting. We have decided to place dustbins for waste collections. We have noticed that lots of migrants and even the locals are throwing garbage in the Valwanti river. So we have decided to place dustbins on the site, and we have requested Sakrai Municipal Council and also the local village panchayat to collect the waste. And also we have decided to conduct campaigns to sensitize the general public not to throw garbage in the river water and even at open spaces, and keep it in the dustbins so that the local bodies can collect the same. We have also contemplated to issue instructions to the local authorities to impose fines on the offenders so that they will stop throwing garbage and waste materials in open space and the Valwanti river. Also, we have requested the Water Resource Department to place some dustbins on the site, and also to install CCTV cameras on the site so that we can prohibit the offenders and miscreants who are involved in throwing garbage in the Valwanti river. Now, from last 1 year onwards, we have done lots of campaigns to sensitize the general public to stop throwing waste material garbage in the Valwanti river, and it has reduced 75%. It has reduced, but still some miscreants are throwing garbage in Valwanti river. So we have decided to organize campaigns even in future to sensitize the general public and also create awareness among the general public to not to throw garbage in the Valwanti river.
I don't know. Once, yes, I could have spoken to the government.
Fees charge, you are importing.
It's not 7 petrol, 50 petrol, you required. Yeah.